Good morning everyone. Today our students going to discuss the topic about IP version 4 and IP version 6.
Hello everyone, we are going to have a group discussion about the different types of IP addresses, that is IP version 4 and IP version 6. So what is Internet Protocol address? It is nothing but the address which requires to communicate between one computer and another computer. IP address is also called as the Internet Protocol address. For example, if you want to download a file or load a web page, we require that IP address of that particular file or the web page to load that file or the web page.
IPv4. IPv4 address stands for Internet Protocol version 4. It was introduced in 1981 by DARPA and first deployed version in 1982 for the production of SATnet. It consists of two main things, that is network address and host address. IPv4 address or 32-bit integers expressed in decimal notation. It is represented by 4 numbers separated by dots in range of 0.255 which have to be converted to zeros and 1 to understood by the computer. For example, IP address can be represented by 0.255.123 etc.
IPv6 is based on IPv4, which is far better than IPv4, which is introduced in December 1995. IPv6 is written as a group of 8 hexadecimal numbers separated by colons. It can be written as 128 bits of zeros and ones.
IPv4 has a 32 bits address length. It supported manual and DHCP addresses configurations. In IPv4, end-to-end connection integrity is unachievable. It can generate a 4.29 in 10 power 9 address spaces. Its security features is depend on the address spaces. Address representations in IPv4 is in decimal.
IPv6 has 128-bit address length. It supports auto and renumbering address configuration. In IPv6, end-to-end connection integrity is achievable. The address space of IPv6 is quite large. It can produce up to 3.14 into 10 power 38 address space. IPv6 representation in IPv6 is hexadecimal.
The Internet Protocol version 4 is fragmentation performed by sender and forwarding routers. This version packet flow identification is not available. It has a broadcast message transmission scheme. The encryption and authentication facility is not provided, and the checksum field is available. The IP version 4 has a header of 20 to 60 bytes.
It is performed only by the user. IPv6 packet flow identifications are available. IPv6 checksum field is not available. IPv6 multitask and any task message transmission scheme is available. IPv6
Can be converted to IP version 6, and IP version 4 has 5 different classes, that is class A, class B, class C, class D and class E. IP version 4 has
Not all IPv6 can be converted into IPv4. IPv6 consists of 8 fields which are separated by a colon. IPv6 does not have any classes of the IP address. IPv6 does not support BSLR.
Thus, we have seen the difference between IP version 4 and IP version 6. Thank you.
The transition from IP version 4 to IP version 6 represents a critical evaluation in the realm of networking driven by the exhaustion of IP version addresses and expanding landscape of the internet. IP version 6 with a significantly larger address space emerges as the future-proof solution to accommodate the growing number of connecting devices, particularly in the era of Internet of Things. The benefits of IP version 6 including enhanced scalability, improved security features and support for modern networking technologies underscore its importance for the sustained growth and innovation of the Internet. The coexistence of IP version 4 and IP version 6 during the transition period highlight the necessity of adapting network infrastructure to support both protocols, ensuring smooth migration and uninterrupted connectivity for user worldwide. While the transition possesses challenges such as compatibility issues and infrastructure upgrades, the global community's acknowledgement of the urgency of IP version 6 adoption is evident. Organizations, service providers, and internet users are actively working towards embracing IP version 6, recognizing its pivotal role in building a future ready, interconnected world. The shift from IP version 4 to IP version 6 is not just a technological upgrade but a strategic imperative. It is a decisive step forwards, overcoming the limitations of IP version 4, ensuring the continued growth, connectivity, and innovation of the Internet in the face of an ever expanding digital landscape. The transition to IP version 6 is not merely an option, it is necessary to meet the demands of our interconnected and data driven future. Thank you.